Perfect.
Alright, so it is a little windy out, so pardon me if it's a little hard to hear. But I'll go ahead and get these things wiped off so that way they are ready for primer. Because that is what I'm going to be doing here in just a few minutes. Always make sure you clean. Get that thing wet.
Perfect.
Alright, so I got these things painted up and they look really good. Nice bright white. Now this is just an epoxy primer, so it's nice because it's real thick, so I'll be able to kind of sand it, you know, if there's any little dents or whatnot. But this, I think, when I go to the show in May, I think it's all just going to be a white primer, which is nothing wrong with that, just because I paint outside. Obviously, as you could tell, it's all outside, and I don't have a booth or anything to do this, so I'm going to buy a blow-up inflatable booth, but until then, I have to do it outside, and it's got to be a little bit nicer to do expensive paint outside. So it's all just going to be primer for now, and then eventually I will be doing the orange, but that'll probably be later in the year. But I can do that when the truck's together because it's metallic, so it's got to be done together anyway. So, but now I'm gonna wait for this to dry, flip them over, do the backside, and then we should be good for these. And then once this is completely dry, I'll take it off, wrap this piece up, get the new bedside, the other one, on these horses, sand it, and then prime that one as well. So moving along with it. I got a couple weeks, and I'm starting to get everything back, start putting it back together, so I'm really excited for that. So yeah, I'll be back in just a little bit. So as you can see, today I'm going to be finishing up painting this stuff. I'm going to try and get some of my front end painted as well, but I really want to get that motor in the second this oil pan gets here, so should be here in a couple hours. But I'm gonna finish painting this since it's halfway done, and then I thought about while I'm painting other stuff, I'm gonna roll my cab out as well and get some paint on the bare spots, so that way it's not rusting or anything. So I think I'm gonna do that as well. So, but I'm gonna get right into getting some paint on this so that way it can dry. It's really nice outside today, so hopefully it dries a lot quicker than it did the other day. So I'm gonna hop right in it.
Perfect. Perfect.
Okay, so I have both of these panels done here. They both have about 3 or 4 coats of primer on them, and they are ready to go. They're going to be bolted up. I'm not going to wet sand anything yet. These things are just going to get primed and then bolted up and sit on the truck. I'm going to run it around like this for a little bit, like I said, until I can get a paint booth set up here and actually be able to paint it inside, because there's a lot of like dust and stuff in this, which for now it's okay because it's just primer. I can sand it out, but I don't want anything in my actual paint when I go to do it. So, but anyway, those are done for now, and I don't think I'm gonna get around to doing the front, but I'm hoping this week I might be able to play around with the front, at least get most of it ready. None of it's ready right now. It's all still in the old primer, but I just got to sand it, wash it, and get it ready for white primer. So, but anyway, appreciate you guys for watching. If you have any questions at all about the products I'm using or anything, or just any questions in general, drop them down in the comments, let me know. But anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one.